Most sales teams start their week not knowing which company to target, how to approach, or what to say when they make a phone call. I built a system that solves these problems. Let me show you. I'm the digital avatar of Ayah Jacky Lim. He is a professional engineer and has been in the industry for over 20 years. While Jacky is busy working on the ground, he created me to deliver the practical guidance he experienced himself. In industrial B2B sales, your biggest invisible cost is not losing a deal. It is keep chasing the wrong company. You keep approaching and get ignored. You follow up and get ghosted. You never find out why. And because you have no system telling you otherwise, the cycle continues with the next company on your list. Most sales teams only discover the mismatch after months of effort. By then, the time is gone. The first layer of the system reads various reports and index data published monthly by agencies in Malaysia. It ranks 70 manufacturing industries by their fit for each of our 4 products. When I select packaging automation, processing, and preserving of fruit and vegetable scores 85 with 11.6% year-on-year growth. Manufacture of other food products scores 85 with 5.4% growth. These are not opinions. They are calculated from actual data, reports, and other data sources. I know which industries are high potential before my team makes a single attempt to approach them. The second layer goes one level deeper. The system using AI to classifies individual companies within those industries and scores each one against the product I want to sell. For AI Smart Vision, it identified 87 target companies from public trade data. Each company is scored, categorized by industry, and ranked by fit. My sales rep does not start Monday morning with a cold contact list. They start with a prioritized pipeline where the highest potential companies are already at the top. The third layer is where most sales managers spend the most time and get the least consistency. Coaching individual reps on what to do, how to say, and when to say it. The system handles this through an AI sales coach built into the same platform. When a rep updates the status of a company, the coach responds with the exact next step, not a general suggestion, a specific action. How to get the right person, who to call first, what to say when they answer, what to send on WhatsApp if there is no reply. When a tactic works in the field, the GM reviews what is performing and updates the playbook inside the system. Every rep then receives that proven guidance through the same AI coach automatically. Available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. No pressure, no politics, just clear guidance built from real experience that lets every rep perform their best. This system was built with generative AI tools. No IT department, no external developer. The point is not what I built. The point is that if you have genuine domain knowledge in your industry, you now have the tools to turn that knowledge into a system that works for you around the clock. Sales and marketing in industrial B2B is overdue for this shift. The question is not whether it is possible. The question is who in your industry will move first. Jacky reads every single comment. If you are managing a sales team in industrial B2B products, I want to hear how you currently decide which companies to prioritize each week. Share your approach in the comments below. See you in the next video. If you found this video useful, support my work by hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your support helps me keep going.